Use Prestone. The engine is the main component of any vehicle. It is also the most important. A vehicle that does not have a finely tuned vehicle will never be able to run smoothly. This is why it is vital that the engine of a vehicle gets proper and regular maintenance. Engines are known to get extremely hot. To cool an engine down and prevent overheating, a radiator is connected to it. In order for the radiator to function, it has to have a good supply of coolant. And, when it comes to coolants, Prestone is one of the most trusted brands around. Here are some tips on how to cool your vehicle's engine with Prestone coolant. Consult your car manual. Understand the cooling system information of your car. Learn all about capacity and various coolant types. The coolant types of Prestone are extended life or orange, ethylene glycol or green, and gold for newer Ford trucks. You may download a copy of your vehicle's manual from the manufacturer's website. Understand the cooling system. Cooling systems have various metals like lead, solder, brass, copper, aluminum, steel, and cast iron. Because of this, there is a need to protect inhibitors against corrosion and rust. So, follow the manufacturer's recommendation because each cooling system is tested and designed for a particular coolant. Use the right coolant for your vehicle. This is because an improper coolant or a combination of coolants can damage your car engine. The damage can happen when you add an orange coolant to a cooling system that has a green coolant. However, most coolant brands are formulated to suit most high-quality inhibitors to protect the cooling system and engine. Therefore, problems seldom arise even if various coolant labels are mixed. The coolant needs to meet similar ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, specifications. Turn off your car engine. Let the engine and radiator cool before opening it. It will help you avoid burns and won't damage the engine. Add some water to the coolant. The ratio must be 1:1. Through this, your vehicle's cooling system will have additional resistance to both freezing and overheating. However, prepare a mixture with 70% coolant in tremendously frigid climates. Ensure that your car is in tip-top condition before winter. Check all parts and conditional aspects of your car before and after using it to ensure safety. Pour the coolant and water solution. Test the condition of your car first. Start your vehicle and let it attain the normal operating temperature. The thermostat of your vehicle will open and water will circulate again after the thermostat reaches the proper temperature. Pour the coolant and water mixture into the coolant overflow tank. It must be between the maximum and minimum marks of the tank. Consider using Prestone Super Radiator Flush. It is a radiator cleaning fluid product that is comprised of detergents. It will remove oil, grease, rust, and residues that are accumulated in the cooling system. It will make the car engine perform better and longer. But checking and cleaning your car engine frequently must be done, too. Complement Prestone with a fine engine oil. Get the most quality yet affordable premium oil so your automobile can achieve better road performance in any terrain and weather. Ordinary engine coolants are usually a 50/50 mixture of corrosion protection chemicals with ethylene glycol and water. Note that corrosion inhibitors are the main difference between coolant brands. Prestone is one of the brands with the best mixture.